How are you doing? Today we're going to have a look at the snake plant. Usually other people is telling you guys how to plant it and propagate successfully. Well, my case, most of my case, or a lot of my case is to telling you how did I fail, which is a good lesson for a lot of people. So this snake plant, I forget where I get it. I was having it for a couple of years. Actually, it's very easy to grow, very easy to take care of. Actually, I didn't spend much time to take care of it. So my tips for you to fail is that first, to give a lot of water, it will die quickly. And the second reason is that put it in cold weather and it will die even faster. So that's my tips. I have two types of different snake plant. This is the green one. You can see it's all frozen. It's all like this. This is another one, and with golden strips. I have them both for a couple of years, at least 3 or 4 years. And this one, it's a way. This one has a golden edge. You can see a little bit from here, which is very nice. Everything grows well within 2 or 3 years, and at the beginning I have only one pot. Then I separate it and put it in different pots, and they all grows. So the reason is why did they die this year, not before? It's because of the cold weather. This year it's particularly cold. It has frost a few days, and no, not few days, about 3 weeks outside, so they are totally gone. At the beginning I was giving a lot of water to another pot of these. It dies because of too much water. But on the contrary, I can nearly 1 month, 1.5 months don't give any water to this plant. It has no problem at all, which is very interesting. That's what I'm telling you. The water is a killer. If you give too much water, it will die. Then, after a couple of years, they all die in the same winter because of the cold. So tips for you: first, don't give too much water. Second, in winter, keep it inside home, and you're going to have a nice plant. But if you want to kill your plant, do as what I do. A lot of water, and in cold weather, they all end up like this. Okay, I'll see you next time, guys. They will not grow back anymore. They all die. Even the root is gone. All the snails already eat it up. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.